Get over here, Sammy. Get over here. Wonderful stuff. I want to welcome your mother as well, Angela. All right. You're phenomenal. You catch your breath for just a second. Angela, very rarely, as I said yesterday, is a play the day so looked forward to as this was 2 days ago. And now we know why. Who came up with one of the great ideas of the century?
Well, truly it was Sam. At a very young age, I took him to his first concert. And the performers came down from the ceiling in chandeliers. And he turned to me and said, "Mom, I'm going to do that for my bar mitzvah entrance." I said, "Oh, okay." Thinking that might change 4 years later. But when Sam commits to something, he commits. And
all right, so Sam, lots of commitment here, buddy. How much rehearsal went into this?
I would rehearse every Sunday for a month for 3 hours on Sundays with my very good choreographer, Gino Johnson.
That's amazing. And by the way, tremendous job. Everybody around the world now knows who you are. How does that feel?
It's incredible. I never thought this would happen in my entire life. It's like a dream.
So now that you're actually on Broadway performing live on GMA, do you think there are more dances in the future, possibly even a career?